What is up, YouTube? Today is July 23rd, and let's get straight into today's trade recap. I took no trades today simply because I actually locked myself out for the whole day yesterday on an Asia session. So I went to hop on to lock out myself out of Asia and set my fucking $400 loss limit, and from there I accidentally locked myself out for the whole day. So it is what it is, right? You never know, it could be like a sign that maybe I would have crashed out this day, so I'm glad I didn't. But anyways, get straight to it. So yesterday, if you guys remember and recall, I was telling you guys that this is 100% going to get filled either in Asia or whenever, right? And it was literally around right here, and then it got pushed up and filled this, right? Now, just looking at price action, it's a bit confusing. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was a bit confused during Asia. That's why I was glad that my accounts were fucking completely timed out. So all of this was confusion. In hindsight, it obviously looks clear. It just looks like, okay, we came up. Let's look at it from him. 15. We came up, swooped these highs right there, and then dumped. So we're gonna be bearish, right? Nice relative equal lows down there. All right, nice LR down here, which wasn't fully swept. We only swept half. So we had reason to dump. All right. So for me, I was like, okay, swept this high. Boom, boom, boom. We're just gonna dump. So realistically, I was looking for shorts. Now we came down here and swept this high, these lows right here. Now, of course, I'm not trading, but I was paper trading today. And then from there, price came down fully, right? I mean, over here you had multiple opportunities for shorts, which were extremely fucking clean, and I wish I capitalized on any of these, but obviously I live in fucking EST time zone, so realistically, there's no way I'm awake at 6, right? So all of this, unfortunately, missed out, right? And then 1:30, I'm asleep, right? Anyways, we dumped down, swept this low, and I'm like, okay, this low actually looks pretty clean, and I could see us reverse from here, right? It would make sense, right? Um, and then we got a nice little push higher, and then from there, I was already shorts on the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, had a nice push, and then we tapped into, oops, the order block, and you just long this bitch. All right, something like this, and then I was like, okay, nice equal highs up here, up there. Definitely, if we're bullish now, we're gonna head towards there, right? So those are my draws and liquidity. But then unfortunately, once we were up here, I went break even, and then we got stop break even. This is all paper, by the way. My account wasn't touched, right? And then once I got break even, I just hopped off for the rest of the day. But I understood that, okay, we're gonna continue lower. It's very fucking clear that that's what price wants, right? Then price dumped, and then from there left relative equal lows down here, which was a bit weird because I thought that we were gonna come and sweep these lows, right? But we left relative equal lows here, and then pushed higher, right? So a bit of an odd one. I'm not gonna lie to you, a bit of an odd one. But regardless, yeah, that's basically of price action. And then from there, we just reversed and then pushed up higher, right? And then for me personally, I don't really know if this is gonna be our low. It's like relative equal lows, kind of hard, you know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense. Like deep down in my gut, I think that we're just gonna come down and sweep this, right? And but yeah, regardless, I think that price potentially could sweep this low down here. But am I going to short? No. I don't think I want shorts at all. I just don't think so. I want to see us rebalance this potentially today, right? Friday could continue the dump though. Like it's very possible. I don't. I won't. I can't put it past it, right? Like if you look at this, like Friday could want. I mean, the daily just looks like we're leaving or building up liquidity, right? In the higher time frame, right? And then from there, since we are building up liquidity, you would just want to see this, right? This right here. Potentially this LR to get swept. But that would only confirm if we push past this low. If we push past this low, then I'm just guessing that we're going to come down till here, right? Anyways, that's just a guess, right? But for now, intraday, I do believe that potentially we come down sweep this. Do I want a short? No, I don't like shorts just because it's an odd one, right? And look at this open. I also don't really like this open. We just gapped down, so immediately I understand that this is going to be a nice little drawn liquidity just like yesterday. So this is going to have to get filled before we do anything. So we'll see. As of right now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I am pretty bullish. Simply because LR push higher. We're just, you know what I'm saying? It looks pretty bullish. Plus we also have some nice LR right here, right? Which doesn't make sense for us to react just off of the middle, right? So for me, personally, I think we still want longs. I mean, as of right now, I think we want longs, right? So that's why I don't like shorts, but it's just you just react to price action, right? If we push higher, we push higher. If we push lower, we push lower, right? So if we push lower, I would not partake, and I would just wait for this to get swept, and then from there longs, right? And then if we push higher, and it looks like, you know what I mean, we're just gonna continue higher, then I would look for something for longs, right? I would look for all of this to get swept, right? All of this. I don't know about all of that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think we come up all the way up to this high right here, but we could because look at this. This is so much accumulation. But I don't think so, right? I believe that price, at least, I would want to see it come to like sweep these bare minimum. That's what I want, bare minimum, and then the week closes just and then ends up chopping, right? But yeah, that's just me predicting price. We don't predict, we react. And that is it for today's trade recap. No trades, obviously. There's the account. There's the account right here. As you can see, no fucking trades today because I locked myself out. And yeah, that is basically it for today's price breakdown. I wouldn't say trade recap, price breakdown. And that is it. Yeah, till tomorrow. Bing bang bush. It's gonna be hopefully a nice glorified day. Hopefully. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bing bang bush, just small little video, quick little just price breakdown. And yeah, I just want to be consistent with the videos. So daily we'll try to pump up as much as I can and continue this until I reach my 6-month mark and I'm profitable. Yeah, bing bang bush, TK out.